A man once walked through a village, carrying a heavy coffin on his back. People stopped and stared. Some whispered, some laughed, and others felt pity for him. A young boy finally approached and asked, "Why are you carrying a coffin? Is someone inside?" The man replied calmly, "Yes, it is me." The boy stepped back in shock. "What do you mean?" he asked. The man gently placed the coffin on the ground and opened it. Inside, there was nothing but a mirror. "Look," he said. The boy looked inside and saw his own reflection. Confused, he asked, "Why are you carrying this?" The man smiled faintly. "I carry it to remind myself that one day, I will be gone. When people insult me, I remember this, and I don't react. When I feel anger, I remember this, and I let it go. When I worry too much, I remember this, and I breathe." The boy listened carefully. The man continued, "Most people live as if they will live forever. They hold on to anger, pride, and fear, as if these things matter. But when you truly understand that your time is limited, everything changes." The boy looked into the mirror again, this time, more deeply. The man lifted the coffin back onto his shoulders and said, "I do not carry death to feel afraid. I carry it to remember how to live." And with that, he walked away, leaving the boy, and the entire village, in silence.